Alright, so let's get to the unboxing of this unit. Let me just grab a knife here. This is why I can't have nice things. Guess it's time to get a case and a screen protector on this. Alright, welcome to the Morning Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's video, as you can see from the intro, is I am going to be slapping on a screen protector and a case onto my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is a pretty expensive investment for me. Every 3 years or so I replace my phone, and having it drop on the floor, my heart almost was pounding from my chest from when I was looking it over, and from what I can see, thankfully there was no damage, and also hopefully my wife doesn't watch this video. So I went and ordered a screen protector and a case for it, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of these items. If you find the video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So here's my iPhone 12 Pro Max naked in all its glory. There's no screen protector, there's no case, and if you know me, this stresses me out, not having it protected. This is a graphene model. You can see all the nice fingerprints on there already, on the screen as well. And so what I'm going to be doing is I got two products to protect my phone. One is got a case from Spigen, and I also got a screen protector from Spigen. So these are both Spigen products, and I've been using these products since I've had the iPhone 6, and I really like using them, and they're robust, and I've never had any issues with them. So that's why I decided again to go with Spigen products. And what we're going to do is review the Spigen iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the Tough Armor model, and let me open it up. Okay, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Tough Armor model. There's yellow padding here. It's not hard plastic. It is a bit soft. I guess it's to make sure it doesn't scratch the back of the phone. And then if you look inside, there's some same yellow material on the sides. It's a bit cushiony. It is soft, and on the side as well, so it is a bit soft as well. Has the cutouts. And the one thing I do like about this Tough Armor case is, if I pop this out, it has a built-in stand, and I'll demo that again. So it'll allow you to have it sit up like this, or I guess probably like this as well, but I guess not so much this way. So yeah, just especially with the large phone, I like to have it to put it down, angle it, and to watch it. So having a built-in stand into the case is one of the major features that I really wanted in a case, and this fit the bill in both durability as well as functionality. And the case is pretty hard. It's hard plastic. Has the buttons. This is the soft part for the volume rockers and the power button, and then the cutouts at the bottom. Yeah, alright, so in terms of screen protector, I decided to go with another Spigen product. This is the Glastr EZ Fit, and what I do like about this one is it comes with like a molded screen protector adapter, so you can actually have a perfect alignment when you put the screen protector on. In the past, when I got my own screen protectors, you're kind of monkeying around with making sure it's aligned properly, and if it's not aligned, you have to peel it off and do it again. You get a lot of air bubbles, and if you don't do it right, it remains crooked, and yeah, it was just a pain putting on screen protectors. So let's take a look and see how it works. So this is the 2-pack version. So it comes with lens and screen cleaning wipe. Comes with this squeegee to take out the air bubbles after it's done. And this is what I was talking about. So there's a 2-pack, there's 2 of them. So this is a molded screen protector putter-oner, and that's the official word I'm going to call it. So what you do is it lines up perfectly, as you can see here. And so when I peel it off and put the screen protector on, it's fully aligned. You can see that it's a perfect fit, and I don't have to monkey around with putting it on and making sure it's adjusted correctly. This molded putter on adapter is pretty cool. And there's actually, I believe, if you scan the QR code, it actually does bring you to the video to show you how to install it. So if I scan it, open Safari, iPhone. That's kind of cool that it does that. iPhone 12. And then you can choose which video. So I'm going to use the Glastr EZ Fit. And now I'll take you to the video so you can actually watch how to install it. So I'm going to watch the video on how to install it, and then I will film myself putting the screen protector on to see how hard or easy it is to do. And it should be foolproof because, like I said, the main reason I got this is it just fits right on. You should be able to turn it on and able to peel and apply. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so I just opened it up and there's a few things it comes with. It comes with this really neat dust removal sticker. Do not throw away. Used to remove dust before installing. So I guess you take this off and just kind of press it against the glass to kind of remove the dust. Comes with a screen cloth, and then comes with the lens and screen cleaning wipe. So I'm going to do that now. There's a bit of a residue. Maybe I use this to... Okay, so the first thing to do is says adhesive side, remove back. So I'm going to remove the back. And then this is the top part because I can see the notch, and just put it on. Okay, and then it says push down. So I'm just going to do this a few times. Press and slide, press and slide, press and slide, press and slide. And then it says wait 30 seconds. So I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. So now that it's 30 seconds, I'm going to peel it and remove the backing here. And it says you can lift this up. And then there's a protective sheet on here, which I'm going to peel off. And my screen protector is now applied on a perfect fit. So let's take a look. Okay, you can see that it fits perfectly all the way around. And move up and down. It fits. It's perfect, snug fit. I don't have to fool around with making sure it's aligned, and the screen protector looks really good. So if I do it, you can see that it fits perfectly all aligned, which is fantastic. Awesome. And right now there is no air bubbles. And then if I pop this back into the case, it is all done. It looks good. There's no, it's not crooked, there's no air bubbles. That was a really easy way of installing a screen protector. And this adapter worked really well in terms of applying the screen protector. It was foolproof, that even I can do it. So I would definitely recommend both these products. So I would definitely recommend the Spigen Tough Armor case and the Spigen Glastr EZ Fit. And I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can check it out on Amazon. As you can see, after I put on the Tough Armor case, it really the foam becomes pretty thick. And if you look at the logo here, you can see how there's a bit of it's quite thick there. I wasn't sure if it will work on a QI charger or a Qi charger. Apparently I was saying it wrong in the last video, so I'm going to try it and see. Yep, it does. Okay, so just to sum up, just a final look at the screen protector in the case. Overall, I'm very happy with the case. It's pretty robust. I feel if I could bang it on, that's not going to do any damage. It did work on the Qi wireless charger, and if there's a MagSafe, I'm sure it will work as well. Oh, as you can see, I'm clutched and already dropped it again. And then in terms of the screen, it's not bubbling. It is a fingerprint magnet. You're just gonna have to wipe it. And there's a bit of reflection on there. But I was using it outside today in the sun, and with the screen brightness turned up, it was not an issue to see anything on there. So all in all, I'm very happy with the purchase of these two items. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. Thanks you guys for watching, and until next time.